Feeling bored? Let's go rock and roll! Prepare to journey into the heart of China's unstoppable drive for progress. Fueled by electrifying force beneath the surface, tunnel boring machines. These metal behemoths are the unsung riff masters of China's modernization rock and roll, slicing through bedrock to pave the way for boundless opportunities. The very machines are the guitar solos of engineering, shredding through mountains to create intricate tunnels that shape the future of this nation. From colossal subterranean superhighways to nimble underground networks, exciting boring machines of all sizes are jamming in harmony, turning raw earth into pathways of prosperity. Meet the giants from CRCC, roaring through solid rock like a metal anthem, uniting cities and propelling the integrated development of city clusters. And their underdog champions like ZTP 1020, which are rarely seen on the global stage, can slice through the underground labyrinth to enable natural gas to be supplied all over the city. But it's more than just machines. It's a symphony of progress. The explosive growth of subways, the electrifying speed of high-speed rail lines, the vital lifelines of waterways reaching every corner of the nation, all powered by the raw energy of these relentless TBMs. Every turn of the gear, every rumble of the earth, is the anthem of the fearless men and women who stand with these giants, carving destiny into the bedrock. As China paints its modern saga in bold strokes, remember the unsung legends toiling deep below, connecting the country's heritage with its future. For there are unstoppable forces rolling in the deep, pushing the development gear to a higher key, rev by seismic rev. Want to know more about China marvels? Stay tuned to media platforms of China Daily.